Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Fanvue step by step. Let's get started. First, click on browser and type Fanvue and press enter, then click on first official website. Now you see the Fanvue website. If you have already account, click on login. If you have not account, click on sign up button. I want to click on sign up, and if you add credentials manually then type, otherwise click on Google. I want to click on Google and sign up my email, so you will be sign up your email complete, then you will see that your account will be created successfully. Now click on start earning button, click on continue, add country residency, then click on continue. Select your creator type, iCreator or human creator. I will be click on iCreator and click on continue. What type of content you will be creating, 18 plus or general? I will be click on general content and click on continue, then add your name and handle and click on continue or skip. Now I will be skip now, then set your subscription fee at your subscription fee, and then click on continue. I will click on the skip now button, then click on the verify and start earning button. You will be verify your identify and start earning now and create account successfully. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and press the bell icons for update.